Hi, my name is Ferdinand Reitze. I am the product manager for FRAMOS 3D products. Today I will show you the industrial depth camera D415e starter kit and walk you through the initial setup from connecting the camera to your PC or notebook and streaming the depth map. The FRAMOS D400e series delivers the same high-quality depth sensing as the RealSense camera counterparts D415 and D435, but add native Gigabit Ethernet connectivity in an industrial IP66 grade housing. The small form factor, power over Ethernet, and plug-and-play interchangeability with regular RealSense cameras allow you to move quickly from development to deployment in industrial environments. Our customers use the D400e camera series in industrial automation, smart agriculture, or warehousing and logistics. Let's have a look at the contents. If you open up the package and remove the foam layer, you see all components nicely organized. The D415e and D435e starter kits both come with the respective camera, an M12 to RJ45 Ethernet cable 2 meters long and a 2 meter long M8 power supply with a wall plug. The wall plug comes with adapters for all regions, and the M8 cable has all wires connected, so you can choose to remove the wall plug and, for example, by adding another M8 connector, use the cable to synchronize 2 or more cameras. Before you connect the camera to your notebook or PC, go to the website stated on the business card to download the latest software. The link is also displayed in the video below and mentioned in the description of this video. We will use a Windows 10 system in this video, so I will download the Windows version of the software package. Please note, currently only 64-bit systems are supported, and for Windows, only Windows 10 is supported. Once downloaded, unzip the contents of the package to a location of your liking. If you have a previous version of the software package installed or a previous version of the Intel RealSense software development kit, please uninstall before continuing. First, we will install the FRAMOS camera suite that contains the Gigi driver for the D415e. Second, we will install the FRAMOS RealSense SDK. When the installation is finished, we can go ahead and connect the D415e to the notebook. Connect the M12 cable to the camera. Then connect the M8 cable for power supply. Plug in the M8 cable wall plug. Connect the M12 cable's RJ45 plug to your notebook. In case you want to use power over Ethernet, the M8 cable is not required. However, please make sure that your network interface card supports PoE. Once everything is connected, we can start the Intel RealSense viewer. The D415e or D435e, depending on which camera you have connected, will be shown in the viewer. And you now can start the streams or change the setting as with any regular RealSense camera. Please note, while regular RealSense cameras will work with the FRAMOS software package, the D400e cameras will not be recognized by the Intel RealSense SDK. If you need any help during the setup or you have specific questions for your application and use case, feel free to reach out to our support team at support@framos.com. To learn more about the differences between the D415e and the D435e and the original RealSense counterparts, make sure to watch our comparison video. See you next time!